Stop scrolling. Yes, you. What if I told you that you're unknowingly ruining your financial future every single day? Imagine working hard, yet still living paycheck to paycheck, or worse, drowning in debt while everyone else seems to be getting ahead. Today, I'm revealing the 7 money mistakes that keep you poor, mistakes that most people make, and the scary part? You might be making them too. Stick with me because missing even one of these could cost you thousands, maybe even millions, over your lifetime. And don't worry, I'm not selling anything. This is 100% practical, zero-risk knowledge that could change your financial future forever. Let's dive in, before it's too late. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. Let's be honest, most of us have no clue where our money goes each month. One minute you're rich, the next, you're scraping for essentials. Flying money. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. Without a budget, your money silently leaks away like water from a broken tap. Think about it. Skipping this step is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole at the bottom. Funny? Maybe. Expensive? Absolutely. Even earning more won't fix this if you keep spending blindly. Knowledge without action is worthless. Budgeting is your first weapon to escape financial chaos. Mistake number 2. Relying on a single source of income. Ever noticed how the richest people rarely rely on just one paycheck? If one income source dries up, you're stuck. That's the reality most people ignore. Relying on a single income is like walking on a tightrope without a safety net. Lose your job, and suddenly your lifestyle crumbles. Side hustle, freelancing, online ventures, even small additional income streams can be lifesavers. It's not about being greedy, it's about surviving and thriving. Diversification isn't optional, it's essential. Mistake number 3. Buying to impress others. Your neighbor bought a luxury car, so you feel pressure to keep up? Stop. Social comparison is silently draining your wallet. This isn't just about luxury, it's about lifestyle inflation. That $300 coffee or $100 gadget may feel good today, but it adds up. And here's the scary part. People who chase status often end up in debt traps they can't escape. True wealth isn't about showing off, it's about freedom, security, and choices. Remember that before your next treat yourself moment. Mistake number 4. Ignoring emergency savings. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, medical bills surprise you, or a job loss hits. If you have no emergency fund, you're one crisis away from financial disaster. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why? Because it gives you freedom, prevents debt, and keeps you calm during chaos. Without it, you're vulnerable. With it, you sleep like a billionaire, even if your bank account isn't there yet. Mistake number 5. Falling into the debt trap. Credit cards, loans, buy now pay later schemes? Sounds familiar? Here's the truth. Debt isn't always bad, but mismanaged debt is a silent killer. Paying interest on things you don't need today is like throwing money into a fire. Many people work hard all month just to pay last month's bills. Don't be that person. Track your debt, pay it off strategically, and never buy something you can't afford. Mistake number 6. Believing money alone equals happiness. Here's a hard truth. Chasing money as the ultimate goal rarely works. Happiness doesn't come from your bank balance. Studies show that experiences, relationships, and personal growth bring far more lasting satisfaction than material wealth. Obsessing over money can make you blind to what truly matters. Balance is key. Earn, save, invest wisely, but also live meaningfully. Mistake number 7. Procrastinating on goals. Tell me honestly, how many times have you said, "I'll start saving next month," or "I'll invest when I earn more"? This tiny habit, procrastination, is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck financially. Every day you delay is money lost. Compound growth, opportunities, and even simple habits like budgeting all reward the early starters. Here's the brutal truth. Waiting for the perfect time is just an excuse. The perfect time doesn't exist. Action beats delay, always. Start small, start messy, but start. Because a year from now, you'll wish you had begun today. Avoiding just one of these mistakes can transform your financial life. Avoiding all of them? That's how you build real wealth, freedom, and security. The choice is yours. Will you let these mistakes silently control your future, or will you take action today? Remember, it's not about earning more, it's about thinking smarter, planning better, and acting with intention. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your journey to financial freedom starts with knowledge. And trust me, missing this advice could cost you far more than you think.